So today we have a small program and that is certificate ceremony. For that I request our chairman sir, respected chairman sir of STEMS family is requested to come and take his seat. Then I request director of STEMS family Nupur ma'am, please come forward. And at the same time I request director of STEMS Integrated Academy Arvind sir to come and take their seats.
Respected Chairman Sir, Nupur Ma'am, Arvind Sir, my dear teachers, and my name is Anusha Majid. My name is Jennifer Hussain. Today we are going to conduct our today's certificate ceremony.
Good morning. Thank you. Respected Arvind sir, Nupur madam, Amir Ali sir, Nitishmita madam, Raghav sir, Ajit sir, Nandu sir, and my dear students. मैं चाहे जो সকলের চেহারাতে একদম হাই স্মাইলিং ফেস আছে না নাই?
Yes.
আছে না নাই? কিহৰ কাৰণে আছে? স্মাইলিং ফেস কিহৰ কাৰণে আছে? কোনোবাই জবাব দিব না? এনসার কৰিব? ইয়েস। আৰু সার্টিফিকেশন প্রোগ্রাম যেটো আছে সেইটো কিহৰ কাৰণে আছে? তোমালোকে ইমান দিন ভালকে ক্লাস কৰিছে, যেতিয়া কিবা এটা ইভেন্ট বা কিবা এটা প্ৰগ্ৰাম বহুত দিন পাৰ্টিচিপেশ্যন কৰাৰ পিছত তাৰ যেতিয়া কনক্লুডিং চেৰেমনি যেতিয়া হ'ব তেতিয়া সেই প্ৰগ্ৰামটো কৰি খুব ভাল লাগে যে মই ইমান দিন এই প্ৰগ্ৰামত পাৰ্টিচিপেশ্যন কৰিছোঁ আৰু আজি কনক্লুডিং চেৰেমনি আছে আৰু আজি এই পোষ্ট কৰাৰ বিনিময়ত মই কিবা এটা বস্তু পাই আছোঁ আৰু সেই যিটো বস্তুটো মই পাই আছোঁ ইন ৰেকৰ্ড, এই চাৰ্টিফিকেটটো তোমাৰ লগত তাত সদায় থাকি যাব। সেইকাৰণে তোমালোকৰ মনত অকণমান ফূৰ্তি আছে। তোমালোকে পিকনিক গৈছিলা না? গৈ অহাৰ পিছত তোমালোকৰ কিমান ভাল লাগিছে? এইটো এটা তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে এচিভমেণ্ট আছে যে আমি বাহিৰলৈ গৈছোঁ, ঘূৰি আহিছিলোঁ, ফ্ৰেণ্ড চাৰ্কেল আমাৰ একলগত গৈছে আৰু আমি এইবোৰ বস্তু চাবলৈ পাইছোঁ। এইটো আমাৰ এটা এডভেঞ্চাৰ ট্ৰিপ বা ট্ৰিপ খুব ভাল চাবলৈ পাইছোঁ, কিবা শিকি আহিছোঁ, কিবা নতুন বস্তু আমি চাবলৈ পাইছোঁ। ঠিক তেনেকৈ আজি যিটো প্ৰগ্ৰাম আছে তোমালোকৰ মনত এটা কেনেকৈ এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিব, গতিকে তোমালোকৰ নেক্সট আৰু এটা কৰিব লাগে, তেখেতৰ তাত চাফিচিয়েণ্ট ফাণ্ডছ বা ৰিচোৰ্চেছ আছে, কিন্তু তোমালোকৰ ফিউচাৰটো কেনেকৈ ভাল হ'ব পাৰে সেইকাৰণে তোমালোকক চেষ্টা কৰিছে যে হোষ্টিং কেনেকৈ কৰিব লাগে। যিবোৰ হোষ্টিং কৰাৰ কাৰণে আগবাঢ়ি আহিব তেখেতক তোমালোকে উৎসাহ দিব লাগে। এনেকৈ চকু দি চাব নালাগে যে তেওঁ কি কৰি আছে, কি ভুল কৰি আছে, কি ভুল কৰিছে, এনেকৈ চাব লাগে নহয়, তেখেতক উৎসাহ দিব লাগে। মই যোৱা বছৰ যিবোৰ আমাৰ ক্লাছ 10ৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট, এজন ষ্টুডেণ্ট মানে ক'ব নোৱাৰে, তাক মই ওচৰত মাতি কেনে ক'ব দিছোঁ, এইবোৰ ছাৰ মই ক'ব নাজানো, মই কোৱা কিবা এটা কোৱা, তাক গান কিবা গাব দিছোঁ, তাক অলপ ক'ব দিছোঁ, আৰু এই ষ্টুডেণ্টৰ পিছত মই গম পালোঁ যে 5 দিনত পাছ হৈছে। এতিয়া আজি তেখেতে এংকাৰিঙৰ কাৰণে যিটো চেষ্টা কৰিছে সেইটো মই খুবেই ভাল পাইছোঁ। মই আশা কৰিছোঁ যে ইন ফিউচাৰত আৰু ভালকৈ এংকাৰিং কৰিব, অপেন ষ্টেজত এংকাৰিং কৰিব। তেতিয়া তোমালোকে কোন ক্লাছত আছে? তেখেতে বহুত অপৰচুনিটিজ পাব। আমাৰ যেতিয়া এনুৱেল ফাংচন হ'ব তেতিয়া আমি তেখেতক অপৰচুনিটিজ দিম আৰু সেইবোৰ তোমালোকেও থাকিবা আৰু ধুনীয়াকৈ এংকাৰিং কৰিব, তোমালোকে উৎসাহ দিবা। মই সকলোৰে মংগল কামনা কৰিছোঁ। এইখিনিতে মই নিজৰ কথাখিনি বক্তৃতাটো সামৰণি দিছোঁ। থেংক ইউ টু।
Now I would like to call the students to deliver a speech on their experience on the summer vacation classes. So I would like to call Risa sister, Mushfika sister and Anusha sister to give a short speech.
Chairman sir, and all my dear teachers and my dear fellow students. Today, my name is Mushfika Iman. Today I am here to share my experience on summer classes with you. When I got the notice of summer class, my initial feeling was a mixed one. I thought that the holiday spree would be spoiled by the summer classes and it appeared to be burdensome to me. But as I got engaged in summer classes, my initial disappointment changed to the joy of learning within 2 days. The teacher took every pain to give us advanced knowledges on different subjects. The summer classes instilled in me the interest for learning.
Good morning everyone, respected Chairman Sir, Nupur Ma'am, Arvind Sir, all the other teachers and my dear friends. Today I would like to deliver a short speech on our summer vacation classes. Summer vacation is traditionally seen as a time for relaxation, travel and a break from our usual routine of school. However, for many of us, it is also an opportunity for knowledge but also to shape.
My respected Chairman Sir, Nupur Ma'am, Arvind Sir, our dear teachers and my dear friends. My name is Anusha Majid and today I am here to deliver a speech about our extra classes during summer vacation. Summer vacation is a time when students can relax and enjoy their free time. It is a time to catch up on rest, spend time with family and friends and explore new hobbies or interests. For many students, summer vacation is also a time to continue learning and improving their skills in different fields. Despite our summer vacation, I really appreciate our teachers for having extra summer vacation course. I am grateful for the extra course as it has been really beneficial to us. We have learned a lot of things from our English class as well as other classes. I am really grateful to our respective teachers for their hard work and efforts and their management. And with this, I would like to end my speech. Thank you.
Yes, good morning, Honorable Chairman Sir, Nupur Ma'am, Arvind Sir, and my dear fellow teachers and students. So, first of all, I would like to express my thankfulness to Chairman Sir and Arvind Sir for incorporating English in the foundation course. Yeah, actually, they understood the value of this very language, English language, and you just see that one day you will be a doctor, you will be engineer, but being a doctor and being engineer, you can't build your a great success in your career, because nowadays you will have to sell yourself in the global market, in the international market. If you want to sell yourself as an engineer or as a doctor in the global scenario, in the global market, maybe in Canada, maybe in USA, in any other Australia, then you will have to know the language English. Moreover, I told you that in your research purpose or any other for higher education, English is a compulsory subject, and realizing the importance of that, really I thank our Chairman Sir, Nupur Ma'am and Arvind Sir for including this subject in the integrated course. Many teachers even ask me, what is the use of including English in the integrated course? Because actually in your engineering, JEE or NEET, there will be no English question paper. Still they have included, because you see that all the things you will get the question in these courses, no matter will be in English. So realizing that one, they have incorporated this language. I try to develop my students, their mindset. I got that many of the students have got a very low mindset. They have the self-doubt. They don't have high perception. Instead, they have got the low perception about themselves, about their ability. So I try to work on that. And I have seen that many of the students now here, especially Anusha, Risa, and other girl, Jennifer. So they are speaking very well, very nice. So I am proud of them. And I was really happy that how could you maintain your focus even in the summer vacation? You came regularly, you came on the right time. I really hats off you. I really congratulate you. Yeah, had I been a child like you, maybe I could not come to these summer vacation classes. I could maybe I would enjoy my life. But you came and I thought you are something different children and you will do something different in your life. So with this I want to conclude my speech, and I thank all the students for coming regularly, for learning, for supporting us, and we teachers need your constant support. Where we will give you our constant blessings and we need your constant support to us. So thank you.